the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. This Victorian palace will make you feel like royalty with its huge 6-story open lobby area and amazing decorations filled with splendid detail. During time throughout the day and evening, you can see and hear the wonderful live jazz band from the lobby balcony, playing all the Disney classics. You can stay busy with their huge range of recreational facilities that include 2 pools, a heated indoor pool, and a huge outdoor pool with a 40-meter water slide. Next to the pool is an exciting outdoor play area aimed at younger guests. You can get lost in the Mickey-shaped hedge maze, play a range of sports in their multi-court facility, or enjoy the storybook playroom filled with fun and games for young children. You can work out in their 24-hour gym and then wind down in the sauna, steam room, or whirlpool. Girls can be transformed into the princess of their choice at the wonderful TUBEBUDDY boutique. Other on-site activities can be enjoyed throughout the day, like the morning Tai Chi session with Master Goofy, or a Disney story time in the Storybook Playroom in the evenings. Also, located near the main lobby, you can find Kingdom gifts for all your shopping needs, whether that be the exclusive merchandise, a gift, clothes, or a quick snack. The Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel has 4 great dining options. The Enchanted Garden Restaurant is a beautiful Victorian-themed restaurant serving an international buffet with character dining. Expect to find a wide selection of Asian and Western dishes, as well as their mouth-watering desserts. If you're a fan of Walt Disney, then you will love Walt's Cafe, a restaurant dedicated to the man that started it all. Enjoy all the decor that pays tribute with amazing and rare photographs of Walt through the years. The menu mainly consists of Western cuisine, specializing in steaks. If you would like to try traditional Chinese food, then check out the award-winning Crystal Lotus, where you can try delicacies from Sichuan, Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangdong. The talented chefs have created their own unique Disney dim sum, as well as other stunning signature dishes. While you are taking a dip in the pool, you can enjoy the Sea Breeze Bar, offering cocktails, wines, beers, and a limited menu. Similar to other Disney deluxe hotels, there is a wide variety of room types, including standard rooms, sea view rooms, club level rooms, and executive suites. All rooms keep the amazing Victorian theming, and guests staying at a club level and above have access to the complimentary snacks and drinks at the Kingdom Club Lounge. Here is a list of all the rooms and suites for a 2-night stay for 2 adults and 2 children in November 2020. The Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel is for anyone that is looking for a little more luxury on their Disney vacation. So, if you are used to staying at deluxe resorts like the Grand Floridian in Walt Disney World, then this is definitely the hotel for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, then check out one of my other resort overviews or attraction guides. Thanks for watching.